In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create advanced pies and donuts charts in Excel. We are going to build a donut chart that uses two related columns of data, so you can present values in a more polished and layered visual style. This type of chart is useful when you want to compare two data series in a compact format, using concentric rings to make the relationship easier to read. Begin by highlighting both columns of data in your worksheet. This should include the headers as well as all of the values underneath them. For example, if your table contains sales in one column and profit in the next, select the full range for both columns before inserting the chart. Including the headers is important because Excel uses them to label the chart correctly and organize the series in the right way. Once the data is selected, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. This is where you will find the chart tools. In the Charts group, click the Insert Pie or Donut chart icon. This menu gives you a few circular chart options, and for this design you will want to choose Doughnut. As soon as you select it, Excel will generate a donut chart using your two data columns. Because there are two series in the selected range, the chart will display them as concentric rings. One ring represents one column and the other ring represents the second column. This creates the advanced look since it goes beyond a basic single-layer pie chart and gives you a cleaner way to compare the data visually. To improve the appearance and make both rings easier to distinguish, right-click the inner ring of the chart and choose Format Data Series. This opens the formatting options for that series. Look for the setting called Doughnut Hole Size. Adjusting this changes the size of the center hole and affects how clearly the rings are separated. Increase or decrease the hole size until the inner and outer rings both look balanced and easy to read. A little adjustment here can make a big difference in the final presentation of the chart. Take a moment to make sure the chart is visually clear after the change. The goal is to create enough contrast between the rings so the two data series feel distinct without making the chart too thin or crowded. That covers everything you need to know.